Hi, my name is Cindy Giraldo. I am promoter girl. I am 30 years old. I'm from Medellin. I am studying business management technology. My hobby is playing with my daughter. My favorite TV show is Doctor House. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite sport is swimming. I live in Medellin with my daughter, my uncle, my cousin. This is my uncle. His name is Diego. He's very friendly. He is 50 years old. My uncle is independent. He is tall with brown eyes. He is from Lebanon. She is my daughter. Her name is Mafe. She is 8 years old. Is very energetic and happy. She is a school student. Mafe is small and has brown eyes. This is my cousin Ana Maria. She is 14 years old. She loves rap and likes Korean music. Anna is white, small, has brown hair. She is a high school student. Our dog's name is Tabata. It's very old, but we love it. Fur is black. It likes to play. Bye.